Good morning, my friends. This morning's message is not just for the person who is like this or who is presently going through this, but this morning's message is also for me. You see, my friends, some people aren't good at asking for help because they are so used to being the helper. And some people have an innate tendency to take care of others, lending a helping hand, providing moral support, and to be consistently reliable for those in their immediate surrounding. This could be a result of their natural empathetic nature or as a result of their upbringing that pushed them to assume responsibility at a young age. They create an imbalance, give and take equation by putting others' needs before their own, which could definitely be problematic in the future. These people are so proud of their independence that they refuse to ask for help no matter how bad things get. Now, as for parents, especially single parents, who put their children's needs before their own serves as a really good example. It's their natural tendency to avoid help in favor of solving problems independently. And if they don't teach their kids to ask for help when they need it, they may be sending the wrong message that being independent is the only option. Another excellent example would be a pastor, somebody like a spiritual leader, where to many they represent a wellspring of knowledge, comfort, and motivation. However, they may be discouraged from seeking help due to this image, which makes them fear that they will be seen as weak or unfaithful. This repression might impede their path also to enlightenment. And as for people who are accustomed to being independent, it can be challenging to embrace vulnerability because it may lead to possible fears, including being a burden on others, being denied, or simply feeling helpless. So recognizing that reaching out for help is normal and not a sign of weakness is really crucial. And in closing, my friends, the spiritual awakening comes from understanding the profound strength that comes from seeking assistance. So being able to ask for help when you need it is just as important as being self-reliant. So the ability to give and receive is balanced when people learn to ask for help when they need it, rather than when they are too proud to do it on their own. Because then and only then, my friend, the helpers will be able to help themselves and thrive. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.